Guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to play Blasphemous again. So let's go. So of course we're going to continue our last checkpoint. So actually I've explored a bit in the map. So as you can see, I'm now in the mountains of Endless Dusk. I didn't record it, so I'm sorry, but anyways, let's see what enemies or things I could look for. Okay, so I think let's just go for some, exploration and killing some of these dudes. A minotaur like devils. Oh, wait. Die. Shish. Okay, okay. Nice. So let's get up here now. Haha. Okay, so hmm. So our current objective is, of course, we need just to explore, right? Okay. And also we need to find some other places. So wait, what's this? Okay, I didn't know this, to be honest. What's this one? Oh yeah, I remember this. This is Redento. Yes. Okay. Yeah, sure, I can help you. So, he said he wants to cross here, but the platform is not activated, so we need to activate it. So, yeah, we need to find the switch, and now we're in Hondo. Gyondo. Oh, shit. Sorry. Ouch. Oh, man. That hurts. Oh, wait. I know where's the culprit. Die. Uh, um. Ouch. Okay, nice, 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 nice. Okay, so we killed the bell thing. The one who wields the bells. Oh, ouch, ouch, wait, what's this? Need to get this. Oh, another bones, nice. Can sell these bones. Okay, so what now? Oh yeah, forgot. Okay, so let's find some place where this. Okay, oh wow. Hmm, is this the lever? I hope so. Forgot where it is. Sorry. Oh, okay. I don't know what just happened, but yeah, sure. Okay, so we need to find the lever. Ouch! Ooh, almost fell. Ouch! Why didn't I just reflect it? Sorry. What the? Wait, what? I guess. Okay. Nice. So, I think. Ah, ouch. Die. Wait, let's see. Hmm. Oh, just a bit. We need more beads. Yeah, need more beads. Okay, so, I'm going to die right now, so I hope I don't die. Nice. Ouch. Sheesh. Man, these guys are tough. Okay. Nice. Man, that is brutality. And you, lady, die. Okay, so I know there's a altar here, which is, of course, I know it. I played this before, but I did not finish it. Okay, so let's now heal up. And yep, let's just continue our quest. Nice, nice. Oops, ouch, 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 ouch. Okay, nice. Oh, okay, okay. That's, I almost got there. Okay, nice. Now what? Alright. So yeah, here. Oh my. Okay. Okay. I'm still alive. Okay, nice. So, right. Yeah, now this. Need to activate this. So, got now a shortcut. That's nice. Yes. Oh, this place is huge, to be honest. Wait, let me see the map. Yeah. Okay. I know this. I know what I know what would happen. You see that like that giant bell? Yeah. We're going to destroy that. Okay, nice. Hmm. See what's under here. Okay. Nice. More creatures. Ouch. I just die, please. Ouch. Yo. Die. Nice. One shot. Oh wait, I need to get fast. Woohoo. Let me heal. Yeah. Okay. So we killed the two dudes in a shield. This was this. Yep, another bone. Nice. Okay, so I know there's a yeah. I know there's a ladder here, so need to get up here. Nice. Okay, more room filled with monsters. Ouch. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, okay. Thankfully I dodge. Oh. Okay, nice, 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 nice. Just to kill these dudes. Okay, almost died there. Kill this dude. Big boy in the shield. Man, I don't have any damage right now. Nice. Killed him. Oh wait. This, yep, and they just get this. Nice. And nice, we got that baby. Okay, so, Oh, nice. I know this room. This room is pretty hard. But I hope I can do this correctly. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Just parkour. Yep. Died. Bro, nice. Just died on the spikes. Nice. Okay, so man, that's rough to be honest. Wait, need to get down. I need to get down. Ouch. Okay. Kill the, I don't know. Need more tears of atonement. So yeah, let's just grind and grind. Okay, nice. So we're just going back to where we die because I know there's a treasure. I know there's a treasure there because of how hard to get there. Of course, duh. Okay, so let's just lock in and kill these dudes. Nice. Yo, what the hell? Why didn't you jump? Ah, man. Whew. Why didn't you jump, bro? Well, I guess it's my mistake, of course. Ah, man, that's rough. Nice. Think we need to find some shrine so we can upgrade our sword because it doesn't have any damage right now to these maniacs, these enemies. Okay, so yeah, let's just go back to where we die. Ah, man, don't know why didn't I jump. Ouch. 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 Wait, let me heal. Okay. Nice. Okay, so let's go. Yo! Okay. Oh, almost died there. Okay, bro. Just stop hitting the wall. Don't want to die. Ouch. Ouch. Man, these dudes are, you know, very annoying. Okay, nice. So yeah, let's just go back where we died. Oh, missed that jump. Okay, nice. Yep, nice. Okay, nice. So let's go back. Let's just lock in. Okay, let's just lock in. Nice. Just kill this flying head. And let's just wait for the platform. Don't kill yourself, penitent one. You're the savior. Savior, yeah. Oh shit. Okay. Ah, man, why didn't I just wait for the platform? Bro, you're such a stupid. Man, world is cruel. Am I right? Oh, oh, I almost died there. Okay, so nice. This is the cycle of pain and miserably. Ah, man. It is the endless cycle of pain and suffering. Nice. Guess. Ouch. Okay. Let's just lock in for the real time. Okay. Um. Okay, nice. Whew. This game's hard, right? Yeah. Of course. Just endless pain and suffering. Ouch. Just hack him. Just die, bro. These guys are tough. Tough as. Oh shit. The hell? How did he just. Yeah. Man. If I die again here, bro, I'm going to find another place. Okay, so don't jump for now. Okay, so let's jump here. Then wait here. Okay, so we need to perfect time. We need to perfect the timing. Okay, so let's go now here. Now here, then now here. Now here. Then just yeah. Okay, okay. Again, let's just perfect the timing. Okay, I mean just go here, here, then now here, now here. Let's go. Yes, let's get this. Yes, okay, nice, nice, nice. Oh, heart of the Holy Purge. Keep a sword heart in the Mea Culpa alter its properties. Oh, okay. So, let's see. Oh, okay. So this item here can increase our Tears of Atonement gatherings. I mean, we can earn more, but in exchange, we cannot get. I mean, we cannot use bile of flask. Oh wait, what the? Um. Okay, well, I guess let's just let's just get here. Okay, nice. Let's not just explore that for now. Okay, so let's try up here. What's up here? So I'm not going to, go to other places because we have a quest to do. Of course, need to help the old man. Hey, nice, nice, nice. Oh, here now. Okay, nice. You got this platform moving. We need more. How to? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yep, yep, yep. I died. Well, it's okay. I guess my checkpoint is near, so that's nice. And I got the moonlit baby. Forgot what's its name. Okay, so yeah, let's just go explore and explore. This old man's quest is pretty hard, to be honest. It took me like 3 to 2 days. Yeah, I guess. So we need to get this. And again, we need to go back. Why? Of course, we need to explore more things, more places, and freak, man. Why? Why did why did I slide? Oh my, why did I slide? What the hell, man? Okay. Okay, so start this again. I hope I don't mess this up because my brain is dumb. Bro, what am I doing? Almost fell to the spikes again. Oh. Okay, okay. Almost died there. Okay, don't slide, just jump. Okay, don't slide, just jump. Ouch. Alright, just go up here. Oh wait, not up here, down there. Okay. Yes, nice. So yeah, let's find other dudes. Okay, just lock in. We're gonna lock in, bro. Nice. Let's see what's up here. Oh yeah, I know this. I know this. Yeah, I know this. Okay, so I guess let's go to the other side because there's two paths. Oh wait, yeah. Ooh, yeah, I forgot this. Need to unlock this. Okay, nice. So I guess let's go to the other side. And there's the we need to get two two statues. I think you can just kill me, huh? Oh no, can't kill me. You too, you can't kill me. Ow, 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 ouch, 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 ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, nice. Guess. Wait, let me heal first. And I can kill these guys. And then just brutality. Then, oh, okay, nice. And just another brutality. Yeah, just kill that dude. Yes. We're just killing these dudes, man. We are emotionless. We're tough, okay? We're tough. Oh yeah, I know this one. Yeah, I know this one. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. I know this one. I know this one because it has spikes under them. Yeah, 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 yeah. And oh, I almost died. I'm going to die. Okay, 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 okay. Wait, I'm panicking. Okay, I need to get this. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Nice. Another bone. I don't know if this is worth it to die, but yeah, let's go. I don't want to deal with those guys because there's too many of them. What's this? Oh, huh, great. What now? Okay. Ouch. So just get. So we need to time this thing. Okay, 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 okay. Let's just go. Let's just go here. We need to. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Okay, nice, 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 nice. Anti-ball vessel. Woohoo! Okay, nice. So we're getting good in this game, I guess. Look at that. What's in here? Oh, wow. Okay, that's nice. Yeah. 500, yeah. I guess. Yeah. We got now 3 flask. Wait, do we have one? No. Nope, yeah. Okay, well, that's nice, I guess. Got 3 bile vessels. Nice. Oh wait, there's the second one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Wait, wait. Magic! Yes! Magic! Some prayer. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, think you can kill me? Not today. And you? Huh? Think you're ouch. Oh wait. Okay. Think you're tough, huh? You think you're tough? Nuh-uh. You're not tough. Wait. So we need to break that glass. Ouch. That just hurt me. Nice. Okay, so we need to. Okay, nice. What? Bro, it is just a few centimeters. And we need to. Okay, okay. Nice. Got unlock it. Unlock this place. So now let's destroy this statue. Now we um can now destroy that bell. Okay. Ooh, another a puzzle. Yeah, I know this. Oh wait. Haha. Wait. Haha, nice. first try. Okay. Not of rosary hope. Yep. Okay. Nice, nice. So we need that because it can upgrade the slots of our rosary beads. Yeah, that's good, I guess. So let's get now up here. Woohoo! Okay, 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 okay. Wait, wait, wait. Need to time this perfectly. Let's just don't stop, okay? Don't stop. Even though you're going to die. Just keep moving. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Okay, I'm not ready. Not ready. Okay, I'm not ready. What's in here? What's in here, huh? What's in here? Okay, let's see, let's see. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Oh, yes. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, okay, now I know. Yes, so we can now. Okay, so once we activated this, we can now like help the dude, the the old man, right? Okay, okay, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, 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 oh. I almost died there. I almost died there. I almost fell there. Here you go, my old dude. Oh, thou art the answer to my prayers. Order think of time aid. It is of little use for me to remain here. Go with the father. Oh, penitent one. Oh, nice. Oh, sheesh. What's this? Ew. Oh, fourth toe made of limestone. Reduces dodging for down. Yeah, well, I guess. Oh yeah, I think we're now fast. We're now fast, bro. We're now fast. Got fast slides. Yeah. Oh wow. Okay. 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 Got now reduce cooldown of dash or dodge. Yes. Nice. Got that baby over there. Okay. So actually, I know a place here. I know a place here. I know a place here. We can upgrade our sword. Oh. Yeah. This. Oh shit. Oh my god. That's so many. Oh my. Oh my. This is so many. This is so many. This is so many. This is so many. Yep, I'm dead. Why did I just jump there, bro? Whew. Oh man. Nice. Okay, so yeah. We're now far. Now far, yeah. But I guess we can now destroy the bear, right? Yeah, we can now destroy the bell. Oh 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 oh. I almost died there. I almost died there. I almost died there. Almost died there. Oh 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 oh. Okay, nice, 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 nice. Okay, so we're now back. We're now back. Ouch, 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 ouch. We're now back. We're back. Woohoo! Haha. Think you can kill the main character? No, can't kill the main character, bro. So let's now destroy the bell. Operation Destroyable. Yep, yep. Oh wait, here. Haha, let's go. Ding. Let's go. Yo, no, no, no. Wait, yeah, I know this. I know this. I know this. I know this. And we're just going to fall. Oh wow, well you look at that. Another place. Another checkpoint here. And more of these dudes. Ouch. Yeah, I know these dudes. Yeah. Freak you, man. Let's kill this. Oh, you almost got there. You almost got me there, bro. Yep, nope, 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 nope. I know that. I know that. I know that. Let me. Oh, what's this? Oh, another teleporter. Nice. Okay. Okay, so I know this. Actually, I know where we're going now here. There's a boss. Yep. See, see this. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I know this. This is like a mini boss. And more of them appeared. What a nice. Yeah. Let's just cancel their magic. Okay, nice. Oh. What we got here, huh? What we got here? I knew. Wait, let me heal. Just chill, bro. Yeah, just die. Yeah, just die. Think you can kill me? Ouch. What? How do I supposed to kill him, bro? Aha. I dodge you. I dodge. I'm a dodge master. Yes. Can dodge you, bro. Yeah, let's just die. Oh wait, I need to get up here and see what's in here. Let's. Oh, sorry. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, what? Nice. I don't need that clearly. Oh, almost killed there. Almost died there. Okay. More enemies. Yep, yep, yep. No, no, no. And more enemies. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I know this. I know this. Yeah. The show. Self. Haha. Haha. Yeah, I think can't kill me, huh? Yeah. Oh shit. Okay, we can do this. 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 Yeah, die. Oh wait, another one and die. Yes. Don't mess me, bro. Ouch. Oh shit. What the fuck? Where you just came from? Oh shit. I'm going to die. Haha. Think can kill me, huh? No, 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 no. Die. Should I? No, no, no. I'm not. I'm not. Not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Not scared. Think I'm scared? Yep. 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 I just died there. No, no. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So, I guess we got a near button right now. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. So please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and please like and subscribe. Yeah. So yeah, bye guys, peace.